Hey, what's up, folks at home? I'm gonna show you how to make a pressure... Not like that. Hey, what's up, folks at home? Hey, what's up, folks at home? I'm gonna teach you how to make a pressure sensor controlled catapult. It's supposed to work like that. Aren't you always sick of when cats go to their bowl and they need to eat and they just complain that there's not enough food there even though there is?
Catapult.
Now the main focus of this project is to use an Arduino, a button, and a pressure sensor to control a servo motor. I gotta get into it. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna pull your catapult arm down, and then you're gonna hit your button. The servo arm is gonna swing into position. You're gonna wait for the cat to arrive. The cat arrives, you hit the pressure pad, and the servo arm moves back and your fires. Cat's gonna be angry. It may scratch you. So how we have this hooked up is that there's a push button hooked up to digital input number 2, and it has a pull down resistor attached to it. Then we also have our servo hooked up to digital output number 9, and also hooked up to our power. Then we have our pressure sensor, which is hooked up to analog input A0. Now our servo starts out in the spot of 0. When we hit the button, the servo moves 110 degrees. 110 degrees. Am I stupid? Now when we hit the button, the servo moves 110 degrees in our case, locking the catapult into position. Then we have our pressure sensor, which is hooked up to analog input A0. So how the analog input works is that it reads an analog signal and it converts it to a digital number anywhere between 0 and 1023. We set our threshold to 70, so anytime that the pressure sensor reads above 70, it sends. It tells the servo to move back to the 0 position. Now you want to load it with as much food as possible. Now when the cat arrives, it breaks the threshold of 70, making the servo arm move back to the 0 position, and thus launching the food into the cat's face. We're gonna fill it with the best cat food in the world. We're gonna go get our cat. All right, I got the cat. Drum roll, please. And he still enjoys the food. And that, folks, is a catapult. So if you liked the video, or if you didn't like it, leave some comments. Call me an idiot, call me an asshole. Let me know what I did wrong, let me know what I can fix. Thanks for tuning in.